Okay, Group Monkeys, in this video we're going to show you the easiest use case of Group Monkey, and that's just downloading all your group members that you approve to your group to a Google Sheet. So to do that, first we're going to go to a group that we manage. So in order to use Group Monkey, you do have to actually be an admin or moderator of the group that can actually accept member requests. So you can go to the group. I'm using the Friend Connector group just for this demo purpose, and then you're going to go to member request. Once you go to member requests, you're going to, as long as you have Group Monkey installed and you've actually installed Group Monkey, you're going to see this option here at the top, use Group Monkey for this group. However, if you don't see this option, all you have to do is click the refresh button. And whenever you click the refresh button, you're going to actually then see that option. All right, so if you want to use Group Monkey for this group, just go ahead and click that button, use Group Monkey for this group. And then you have some options here where you can select and approve, you can approve all, you can select and decline, or you can decline all. All right. So if you want to approve everybody, then use approve all. If you want to just approve certain people, what you're going to do is you're going to first go through and you're going to select the people that you want to approve with these little check boxes here. So I'm going to approve this person here. I'm going to approve this person here. I'm going to approve this person here. And I'm going to approve this person here. I'm going to approve just these 4 people just for this demo purpose. So I've selected those 4 people. Now I'm going to click select and approve. And then you'll see that the Group Monkey box is going to actually pop up. You can see you are in Group Friend Connector Official. And then now you need to tell us what you want to do. Do you want to use the gender and country? I'm going to go over that in another demo video. For this demo video, all we're going to do is download the information as a CSV. So we're just going to click this. We're going to leave everything else alone, and we'll go over those in other demo videos. And then we're just going to click confirm. Once we click confirm, you're going to see the little Group Monkey. He's going to be grouping and monkeying, just dancing around while he actually approves everybody. Once he gets all the people that you selected approved, he's going to give you a file download. So you're just going to download that file. And then once you download that file, you can open it up and you'll actually see all the people that were actually added to your group. So what you'll see is you'll see the group name, you'll see the group ID, you'll see their user ID, which is essentially their Facebook URL, you'll see their username, you'll see their first name, you'll see their last name, you'll see when they requested to join the group, you'll see when they actually joined Facebook, you're going to see the number of mutual friends that you have with them, you're going to see the number of total friends that they actually have, if that information was displayed, you're going to see the number of friends that they actually have in the group, if that information was displayed. You're going to also see the number of common groups that you have with the person that you approved. If that information was displayed on Facebook, you're going to see the number of other groups that they're part of. If that information was displayed on Facebook, you're going to see the number of total groups that they're in. If that information was displayed on Facebook, if there's any additional information, you're going to see that. So here you can see some of that additional information. You're going to see the date that you actually added them to the group. So the date that you approved them, you're going to see their actual status. And then you'll also see if you have created any questions and answers, you're going to see those questions and answers. So here's question 1 and their answer for question 1. Here's question 2 and their answer for question 2. And here's question 3 and their answer for question 3. So this is the easiest way to use Group Monkey and the simplest use case, which is to just download the data directly to a CSV file.